Ivy from Ivy Indiviers. Today we are coming to Marine Drive from our home. It's around about 1 hour's journey from our home to Marine Drive, and we have come such a long distance exactly after 6 months of say quarantine or lockdown. So it's a different feeling, and I just wanted to share it with you all through my channel. As you can see, here it is. You can see the waves and the sounds, and it just feels surreal and really nice to come to Marine Drive always. The weather is getting overcast and there is very less crowd Marine Drive as of now because of the current situations. And behind me you can see that Air India office as well as Trident Hotel. So let's enjoy the moment for now. Friends, this side you can see the floodlight towers. They are the towers of the famous Wankhede Stadium. So this is the other side of Marine Drive, as you can see. And behind that yellow building, those are the floodlight towers of another famous stadium called Brabourne Stadium. Now let me show you some glimpses of our journey from Andheri to Marine Drive. This is the airport road. We are taking the airport road while going there. Now here we are crossing the Bandra Worli Sea Link. Bandra Worli Sea Link connects Bandra on one side to Worli on the other side, and we are crossing it now at the moment.
That's the old Audi Q7.
And on this side of the sea link, this is the Mahim Bay. You can see the Mahim Bay on the left side of the sea link now. Here is the Mahim Bay. And now we are entering the South Mumbai side of the city through the sea link. We are entering Worli, and from there we are proceeding towards South Mumbai where Marine Drive is situated.
Let's go in Marine Drive.
Here we are slowly entering the Marine Drive. And without surprise, the crowd and the hustle bustle there is many times less.
Still very less people. Will we go outside?
Here is a glimpse of the holy pilgrim called Haji Ali. There also it's completely barren at the moment, nobody there. And this is the fisherman community there, you can see. And the coastal road project is also going on through this way. Now we are at the Worli sea face, that is the opposite end or the Worli end of the Bandra Worli sea link, and we are on our return journey to our home. This is the Worli sea face. People can sit here and enjoy the beauty of the Arabian Sea there as well.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Bandra Worli Sea Link. Continue for 7 kilometers.
Friends, if you liked watching this video, for more such videos, do subscribe to IV Indiviers, comment on the video and share it with your friends and family. Bye for today.